This tutorial will focus on how to efficiently create a portable distressed wood effect. In this scene, we have a chair with a painted wood shader. We also have a wood texture which we would like to use for our distressed effect. We can increase the texture tiling to suit our needs. First, create an Arnold curvature shader. In the Bake to Texture panel, add an Arnold override element. This allows you to bake out any shader graph from the material editor. Connect the curvature shader to the Arnold override element and bake. In the slate editor, create a mix map. Mix both the original painted texture with the wood texture using the baked curvature map. In order to accentuate the effect, bring in a color correction shader and connect the baked curvature map to it. Adjust the brightness, contrast, and gamma in order to achieve the look you want. To break up the curvature map, connect an Uber noise shader to the radius input of the Arnold curvature shader. Bake once again. Everything should update correctly. And there you have it. You've successfully generated a curvature-based mix map that can be used to blend between different textures in any application, creating a distressed effect. Thanks for watching.